If you have multiple locations in your database with separate bank accounts, and you have students taking classes at multiple locations, the revenue reconciliation reports allow you to determine the revenue that was earned for each location if your database is set to track revenue by class location. Historically, revenue has been tracked in Jackrabbit by family location. Existing clients can request to track revenue by class location by contacting our support team. New clients, since May 31, 2019, track revenue by class location. On the Reports menu, go to Transactions/Financials and select Revenue Reconciliation Reports from the All Reports tab. Use the Reconciliation Summary Report to view the amount of money to be transferred from one location's bank account to another. This will help you reconcile your bank accounts to reflect the revenue earned for each location. The Location Summary Report provides more detail into the Reconciliation Summary Report. For each location, it lists the total payments received and the total payments applied to fees for the location within the date range entered. The difference for each location is the amount payable to another location or owed from other locations. Use the Revenue by Location report to confirm the data on the Location Summary and Reconciliation Summary reports. This report lists every transaction that makes up the totals on the Location Summary report. It includes the payments received for a location and the fees for the location with the amount paid for the fee. For example, the family location for the Lane family is Location 1, and they have a student taking a class at Location 2. Revenue for the class should be transferred to the bank account for Location 2. The Landry and Klusner families are taking classes at their family location. Therefore, no money needs to be transferred. The Revenue by Family report lists every payment and the linked fees by family, along with the location information. It provides an easy way to audit the Revenue by Location report. If you are set to track revenue by class location, the Revenue Reconciliation reports will coincide with the Paid Fees, Revenue Summary, Class/Event Revenue Summary, Transaction Listing, and Transaction Subtype Listing reports when they are run with the report results limited to fees from certain locations. Refer to the Help Center for more information.